I'd like to clear the air on why dust reappears after you clean your facility. You dust mop or vacuum your floors and they look clean, right? Then a few hours pass and poof, the dust is back. What happened? Dust doesn't just disappear. It relocates, and unfortunately it goes to places you just cleaned. And sometimes it hides in carpet until foot traffic brings it back. Old school cotton dust mops, that's not dust control, it's dust relocation. And when fine dust keeps coming back, especially in carpet, recovery matters. High-performance HEPA filtered vacuums don't just move dust around, they capture it and keep it there. Radical concept, I know. And here's the part nobody wants to hear. If you vacuum too fast, you're basically giving the dust a free ride. And one pass like that, that's not cleaning, that's performance art. If dust keeps coming back, it's not the floor. You need a better tool, recovery, or technique. Download the Dust Recovery Optimization Guide and put a stop to dust return. Legends Labs, where real-world problems meet real-world science.